everyone, this is Lakshmi alias Fasiva from MBA Department Assistant Professor from Rudni Engineering College and Technology, Kalkulam, Kanyakumari District. This is going to be Unit 2 and Business Research Methods. This is code number BA4205. Okay, here I introduce the Unit 2 topics for research design and measurement. Okay, what is a research design and method? What are the topics we covered in this unit, under this unit? And research design and definitions and type of research design and definition types, different types of experimental design and validity of finding, variable in research, measurement and scaling, constructions of instrument, validity and reliability of instrument. Okay, here we have to start the point of research design. Research done. What are the research design? The research design I previously explained. I has been explained the topic of in previous video, unit 1, and the last slide had to be explained. Now, what are the research design and what are the topic could be covered, and what are the types and what are the elements of in this unit. So those have to be covered in this last slide. But here I have to briefly explain what are the research design. Okay, so what are the research design in the sense of the researcher usually chooses the research methodologies and techniques at the start of the research. A document that contains information about the techniques, methods and essential details of your project is called your research design. So next one is types of research design. What are the types of research design? So here are more than 20 types of research design have been in research design. By how here I have to explain it. Nearly 4 types, important types of 4 types. Okay, exploratory research design. So exploratory research designs in the sense of is a methodology approach that investigates research questions that have not previously been studied in depth. So explorative research is often qualitative and primary in nature. However, a study with a large sample conducted in an explorative manner can be quantitative as well. It is also often referred to as a interpretive research or a ground or theory approach due to the flexible and open-ended nature. So here the explorative research is open up, and however the study with a large sample conducted maybe is a qualitative and quantitative base as well as. Okay, next one is a casual research. So what is a casual research? The casual research is also known as a explanatory research. It's a types of research that examines if their cause and effect relationship between two separate events. This would occur when there is a change in one of the independent variable which is causing changes in the dependent variable. So you can use the casual research to evaluate the effects of particular change on existing norms, procedures and so on. So this type of research examines conditions or a research problem to explain the patterns of interactions between the variable. So this is what in a casual research. So next one is a descriptive research. So descriptive research in the sense of the design is a type of research design that aims to systematically obtain the information to describe the phenomenon, situations or populations. So what are the phenomena have to be in what is the descriptive? More specifically, it helps answer that what, when, why or how questions regarding the research problem rather than why. So a research can conduct this research using various methodology. It predominantly employs quantitative data, although qualitative data sometimes is used for the descriptive purposes. It is important to note that in the descriptive research methods, the researcher does not control or manipulate any variable, unlike experimental research. Instead, the variables are only identified, observed and measured. So next one is experimental research. So experimental research and experimental research designs are typically focused on the relationship between two variables, and the independent variable and the dependent variable. The researchers uses random sampling and random assignment to create the control group and an experimental group. The result of the experiments are compared to determine whether there is a significant difference between the group that receives the treatment and the control group. Okay, this is for the experimental design. So next topic is going to be in a validity of finding.